চলে এসেছি নতুন কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কোশ্চেন আনসার নিয়ে, যে কোশ্চেন আনসারগুলো নার্সিং রিলেটেড বিভিন্ন কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামের জন্য গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। তাহলে দেখে নিন এই পার্টে কি কি কোশ্চেন আনসার রয়েছে। Question number 36. When does a child typically start recognizing their own name and imitating sounds? Option A, 2 to 3 months. Option B, 4 to 5 months. Option C, 6 to 7 months. Option D, 8 to 9 months. Answer: Option C, 6 to 7 months. Question number 37. What is the typical vocabulary size of a 2-year-old toddler? Option A, 10 to 20 words. Option B, 50 to 100 words. Option C, 200 to 300 words. Option D, 500 plus words. Answer: Option C, 200 to 300 words. 3 years old baby, their vocabulary size greater than 300 words. 4 years old baby, their vocabulary size greater than 500 words. 5 years old baby, their vocabulary size greater than 1000 words. Question number 38. When should a nurse typically expect a child to be using 3 to 4 word sentence? Option A, 18 months. Option B, 24 months. Option C, 36 months. Option D, 48 months. এখানে অ্যান্সার হবে অপশন সি, 36 months. 18 months old child uses single words and 10 to 20 word vocabulary. 24 months or 2 years old child uses 2 to 3 word sentences. 36 months or 3 years old child uses 3 to 4 word sentences. Question number 39. A 3-year-old child cannot. Option A, draw a square. Option B, draw a circle. Option C, knows gender. Option D, ride a tricycle. Answer: Option A, draw a square. A 3-year-old typically cannot draw a square because their fine motor skills and spatial planning are still developing. Drawing a square requires stopping, changing direction, and restarting 4 times. A 3-year-old's hands and wrists are still learning to make these controlled movements. According to based on fine motor development and cognitive development, a 3-year child able to draw a full intentional circle, often followed by square at the age of 4 and triangles at age 5. Question number 40. Maximum absolute growth is seen at option A, 0 to 3 years, option B, 5 to 10 years, option C, 3 to 5 years, option D, 14 to 16 years. Answer: option D, 14 to 16 years. For boys, this growth spurt typically occurs a little later than for girls, and boy can peak around the ages of 40 to 16. Girls usually enter puberty earlier, and girls' growth spurt can peak around the age of 12 to 14. Question number 41. At what age does a child normally develop social smile milestone? Option A, 12 weeks. Option B, 4 weeks. Option C, 16 weeks. Option D, 8 weeks. Answer: option D, 8 weeks. Question number 42. How much a neonate should gain weight after a successful feeding? Option A, 3 to 8 gram per day. Option B, 10 to 15 gram per day. Option C, 15 to 20 gram per day. Option D, 25 to 30 gram per day. Answer option D, 25 to 30 gram per day. অ্যাডিকশনের যে সাইকোসোশ্যাল ডেভেলপমেন্ট থিওরি রয়েছে, তো সেখানে কিছু স্টেজ রয়েছে। অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দিস স্টেজ এখানে কিছু এজ পিরিয়ড রয়েছে। তো লিস্ট ওয়ানে রয়েছে স্টেজগুলো এবং লিস্ট টুতে রয়েছে এজ পিরিয়ড। এখানে লিস্ট ওয়ানের সাথে লিস্ট টু ম্যাচ করাতে হবে। লিস্ট ওয়ানে যে অপশন এ তে অটোনমি ভার্সেস স্টেম অ্যান্ড ডাউট রয়েছে, সেটা লিস্ট টুতে হবে অপশন 3 1 to 3 years। লিস্ট ওয়ানে অপশন বি ইনিশিয়েটিভ ভার্সেস গিল্ট, লিস্ট টুতে হবে অপশন 4 3 to 6 years। অপশন লিস্ট ওয়ানে সি ইন্টিমেসি ভার্সেস আইসোলেশন, লিস্ট টুতে হবে অপশন 5 ইয়ং অ্যাডাল্ট। লিস্ট ওয়ানে অপশন ডি জেনারেটিভিটি ভার্সেস স্ট্যাগনেশন, লিস্ট টুতে হবে অপশন 2 মিডল অ্যাডাল্টহুড। লিস্ট ওয়ানের অপশন ই ইগো ইন্টিগ্রিটি ভার্সেস ডিসপেয়ার, লিস্ট টুতে হবে অপশন 1 ওল্ড এজ। এখানে অ্যান্সার হবে অপশন সি। Question number 44. Ego helps in sense of option A reality, option B anger, option C imagination, option D ignorance। এখানে আনসার হবে অপশন এ রিয়ালিটি। According to Sigmund Freud's structural model, the id, ego, and superego are three interacting components of personality that drive human behavior. The id operates on the pleasure principle, unconscious primal needs. The ego operates on the reality principle, rational mediation. The superego operates on the morality principles, consciences, social standards, balancing impulses with a reality. Question number 45. Height of neonate doubles by option A 4 years, option B 3 years, option C 2 years, option D 1 year. Answer option A 4 years. According to age of the baby, length and height, at birth 50 cm, 3 months 60 cm, 6 months 65 cm, 9 months 70 cm, 1 year 75 cm, 2 years 90 cm, 4 years 100 cm. Question number 46. Which of these theories contributed to behaviorism? 1 Pavlov, 2 Skinner, 3 Watson, 4 Vargat. Answer option D 1, 2 and 3। অর্থাৎ এখানে প্যাভলভ, স্কিনার, ওয়াটসন হলেন বিহেভিয়ারিজমের থিওরিস্ট। ইভান প্যাভলভ, he is famous for his work on classical conditioning through his experiments with dogs, showing how neutral stimuli can trigger learned responses. B.F. Skinner, he expanded behaviorism by developing the theory of operant conditioning, which focuses on how behavior is shaped by rewards and punishments. Watson, often called the father of behaviorism. Only their Vargat, who was a physicist known for his work in crystallography and the Vargat effect, he did not contribute to the psychological theory of behaviorism. Question number 47. According to who, the adolescent age group is option A 8 to 14 years, option B 10 to 19 years, option C 12 to 20 years, option D 15 to 24 years. Answer option B 10 to 19 years. Question number 48. A child can build a tower of 6 to 7 cubes at the age of option A 1 year, option B 2 years, option C 3 years, Option D, none of these. Answer, option B, 2 years. Question number 49. According to the proximo-distal principle of development, children gain control over option A, limbs before torso, option B, legs before arms, option C, head before feet, option D, trunk before arms. Answer, option D, trunk before arms. Question number 50. Emotional outburst, identity, exploration, and peer influence are common during option A, infancy, option B, early childhood, option C, adolescence, option D, middle childhood. Answer, option C, adolescence. Question number 51. Which of the following best distinguishes growth from development in the context of human development? Option A, growth is quantitative while development is qualitative. Option B, growth is only related to infancy while development continues throughout life. Option C, growth involves learning while development involves physical changes. Option D, growth refers to cognitive changes while development refers to emotional changes. এখানে আনসার হবে অপশন এ, গ্রোথ ইজ কোয়ান্টিটেটিভ while development is qualitative. Question number 52. Which of the following is related to the development of a child? Option A, age. Option B, psychomotor capacity. Option C, head circumference. Option D, height. Answer, option B, psychomotor capacity. Question number 53. For children in the age group of 2 to 8 years old, the pattern of development include motor, social, emotional, cognitive, and option A, adaptability skills. Option B, communication skills. Option C, language skill. Option D, writing skill. Answer, option C, language skills. Question number 54. The Oedipus complex is associated with which stage of psychosexual development? Option A, oral stage. Option B, anal stage. Option C, phallic stage. Option D, none of the above. Answer, option C, phallic stage. Phallic stage. The phallic stage is the third stage of Sigmund Freud's theory of psychosexual development, occurring between the age of 3 and 5 years. During this stage, children begin to focus on the differences between males and females, and their psychosexual energy centers on the genital region. The Oedipus complex, a central concept in Freudian theory, arises during this stage. It describes a child's feelings of desire for their opposite sex parent and jealousy or rivalry toward the same sex parent. For boys, this is referred to as the Oedipus complex, while for girls, Freud termed it as the Electra complex, though this later term was introduced by Carl Jung. Resolution of the Oedipus complex is critical for the development of mature sexual identity and the formation of the superego, which represents internalized societal and parental values. Question number 55. Birth weight quadruple by option A, 5 months, option B, 1 year, option C, 18 months, option D, 2 years. Answer, option D, 2 years. According to age of baby, weight is at birth যে ওজন হবে 5 to 6 months সেটা ডবল হবে, 1 ইয়ারে সেটা ট্রিপল হবে, আর 2 ইয়ার্সে সেটা কোয়াড্রিপল মানে 4 গুণ হবে, 3 ইয়ার্সে কোয়ান্টিপল মানে 5 গুণ হবে, আর 5 ইয়ার্সে সেটা 6 গুণ হবে, আর 7 ইয়ার্সে 7 গুণ, আর 10 ইয়ার্সে সেটা হবে 10 গুণ।